Welcome to Bike Update, your go-to channel for all things motorcycles. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R3. With updates aimed at performance and aesthetics, the new R3 is here to redefine the lightweight sport bike category. Let's break down what makes this bike a game changer. Engine and performance. At its core, the 2025 Yamaha R3 boasts a refined 321cc engine delivering smooth power and torque. Yamaha has tweaked the engine to enhance mid-range performance, making it perfect for both city riding and track days. With an updated ECU and improved throttle response, the bike ensures a seamless and thrilling ride. Chassis and suspension. The R3's lightweight diamond frame returns, but Yamaha has upgraded the suspension. The new KYB inverted forks provide better feedback and improved cornering stability. A revised rear monoshock further enhances ride quality, ensuring comfort and control on any surface. Braking and safety. Braking on the 2025 R3 is sharp and precise, thanks to its dual-disc brakes with ABS as standard. Yamaha has introduced a new slipper clutch, reducing wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. These features make it not just fast, but also safe. Design and aerodynamics. Aesthetically, the 2025 R3 gets a sleeker look inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP bikes. The redesigned fairings improve aerodynamics, while the updated LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility and style. With new color options like Phantom Gray and Racing Blue, it's a head-turner on the streets. Technology and features. Yamaha has packed the R3 with tech, including a fully digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity. Riders can now access navigation, call alerts, and bike diagnostics directly from their dashboard. These smart additions elevate the riding experience. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Yamaha R3 is expected to hit showrooms early next year, with a competitive starting price around $6,200. With its upgrades, the R3 remains a top contender in the entry-level sport bike market. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha R3 perfectly blends performance, style, and technology, making it a dream for new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. What do you think about Yamaha's latest updates? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Bike Update. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.